Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about WordPress versus Wix. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Wix is a website builder with all-in-one drag and drop website building, web hosting, marketing, and domain name, while WordPress is an open source CMS. Wix makes building a website easy and intuitive. Here's how. Wix has an industry leading drag and drop website builder. No coding skills or development experience required. Wix handles hosting and SSL certificates, which makes it simple to get started. Wix has advanced features but is user friendly even for those with no coding skills. Create your Wix site manually or let its AI technology build your site for you. Choose from over 900 designer made templates with built in apps and widgets. Each page element has customization options that appear at the click of a button. The Wix Help button is featured directly on most elements. While WordPress is the easiest open source CMS available, but it's definitely not the easiest website publishing solution. Setting up a WordPress site isn't a walk in the park, as it takes some understanding of putting a few elements together. You will need to purchase a web host and a domain name, and then install WordPress on your hosting server. Another aspect to consider is maintenance, as WordPress system updates and backups are not executed automatically. With its limitless features and customization tools, you can build a Wix site easily and quickly. The endless apps, widgets, and add-ons in the Wix app marketplace also put Wix ahead of other site building platforms in terms of integration. There are marketing tools and dedicated features to manage specific types of businesses. Wix also has a mobile app for you to manage your site from your phone. On the other hand, WordPress doesn't show the changes you make to your front end design in real time. That means basic HTML, CSS knowledge is required to customize your chosen theme. If you don't have any coding skills, editing your site may ruin your front end. Changing from one WordPress theme to another isn't too complicated, but does not always answer your needs. In most cases, some code tweaks are needed in order to reach your website's desirable look and functionality. Wix is way more fun and easy when building a beautiful website, while techies and coders might find WordPress more flexible. In terms of SEO, Wix offers a robust suite of built-in SEO capabilities designed to help optimize your site for search engines so you can increase organic traffic. Save time with a book 301 redirects, instant homepage indexing on Google, a Google business profile integration, and more. Plus, customize meta tags, structured data markup, and more across multiple pages of the same type at the same time. Every Wix site comes with a strong technical SEO foundation so you can focus on growing your business. WordPress is considered to be a very SEO friendly platform. With some technical configuration work, websites created with WordPress can easily be indexed by search engines. It's not hard to configure your website name, tagline, heading tags, URL structure, and image alt tags, and so on. It also offers several SEO plugins you can use to change SEO titles, meta descriptions, social sharing content for all your pages and posts. Both WordPress and Wix have built in SEO features for higher search ranking and better online presence. In terms of site scalability, Wix provides direct help and keeps its extensive Help Center content up to date so that all users can solve their doubts on their own. WordPress has hundreds of blogs, forums, and YouTube channels but does not offer support services. Now let's go to pricing. Wix lets you build and maintain your site without too much help from a third party service provider. Additionally, you don't need any previous coding experience unless you choose to build your site with Wix Corvid. WordPress has all the features to help you create a professional website, but additional costs may apply as soon as adjustments or extensions are required to your site. Now, in terms of pricing, Wix is a better alternative as far as cost and value for money are concerned. Now let's go to payment methods. Wix simplifies its users' life and does all the heavy lifting. All you need to do is upload your own content and design your site just the way you want. They'll take care of the rest, from system updates and backups, notifications about new features, security alerts, and more. If you're willing to put in the effort and time, then WordPress is a good decision. No doubt, WordPress is a powerful system. However, one needs to learn HTML, CSS to succeed with CMS. It requires constant maintenance, and things can get technical sooner than expected. Wix is a website building platform that comes with a drag and drop builder to help you create websites easily. Unlike WordPress, Wix hosts the website for you and you can purchase a domain within Wix. Alternatively, you can create a website with a free domain name. Your URL will appear as, of course, your username and your site name. Wix features an innovative and intuitive website editor for beginners, online businesses, professionals, designers, and developers. With Wix, you can start your site in three different ways. You can choose a template or start from scratch with the Wix editor. Let Wix's AI technology create your site for you or use Velo. With Velo, you can extend your site's functionality with Wix's APIs and your own JavaScript. You can create a variety of websites, including a blog, business, online store, photography site, and more. WordPress is a free open source publishing software. The major difference is it should be installed on your web hosting server, which makes the setup process more complex than Wix. Just like any website out there, with WordPress, you'll need to have a domain name and a web host to build your website. WordPress allows developers to create plugins and themes for its users to install and improve their site's performance and visibility. One should be careful when choosing plugins for their site. Not all plugins are good to use. It's well known for its very active community. There are countless forums and informative blogs, so almost every best practice is documented. WordPress is a powerful platform for web developers and companies aiming to set up and maintain complex websites, create users' databases, login dashboards, and more. So there you go. I hope that this video helped you. So which one is better, Wix or WordPress? If you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below and I will see you guys next time. Bye!